If Pixlr is showing a 429 error, don't worry. This usually means the site is temporarily rate limiting your browser or your connection because of too many requests in a short time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Pixlr Error 429 step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and simple how-to guides. First, the easiest fix is to stop clicking refresh. I know it's tempting to keep trying, but if Pixlr is rate limiting you, refreshing over and over can make the problem last longer. Instead, wait a few minutes and give the site time to reset. A short pause is often enough for the error to clear on its own. After waiting, try opening Pixlr again and test whether it loads properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to open a private or incognito window. This helps you test Pixlr without using your normal cookies and cached session data. On most browsers, you can open an incognito or private window from the menu in the top right corner. Once the private window is open, visit Pixlr again and see if the site works there. If it loads normally in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data or extensions. Next, clear Pixlr site data. To do this, click the padlock icon or the site controls in your browser's address bar while on the Pixlr website. Then open Site Settings or look for cookies and site data. From there, click Clear Data. This removes stored site information that may be triggering the 429 error. After that, reload the page and try Pixlr again. If the error continues, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with how Pixlr connects to its servers. Open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily disable any extension that might be affecting the website. Focus especially on ad blockers, anti-tracking tools, and script management extensions. Then reload Pixlr and test it again. If Pixlr starts working, one of those extensions was likely causing the issue. If none of that fixes it, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. This can help clear out old network information that may be affecting your connection. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run the command ipconfig flush DNS. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, then press Enter. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the DNS cache was successfully flushed. After that, close and reopen your browser, then go back to Pixlr and try again. At this point, most Pixlr Error 429 issues should be resolved. Just remember the key steps. Stop refreshing, wait a few minutes, test in a private window, clear Pixlr site data, disable extensions, and flush your DNS cache. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next until Pixlr loads properly again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.